Hello, and so I've got another package for you guys today. This one is from Amazon, which means I will have a link below so you can get my package for yourself. And it says to open carrot preparation, which that never works. So, aha, I just used my scissors, which I also purchased from Amazon, and you can find online too. So I got this giant package, and you know what's in there? This little number. See this? So you're probably wondering what these are and why I ordered them from Amazon. So I'm sure many of you... Oh no, I dropped them. Buy your sewing supplies from Joann's, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with buying sewing supplies from Joann's. It's just very expensive when you are, like me, a professional seamstress, and you have to sew a lot of things. If I were just sewing for a hobby, then Joann's would suit my needs just fine. But, you know, I am not a hobbyist. So what I ordered from Joann's are the twin needle. Some of you are probably like, why would you want a twin needle? Well, because I don't have a cover stitch machine, which I wish I had. I also do not have a flat lock machine. Again, I wish I had, but they are very expensive and I cannot afford them. So instead of that, what I do is I use the double needle. I put it into my machine in place of the single needle, and then I can finish my stretch fabrics with that, and it gives it a really nice finish. It gives it the twin stitch finish, and I would show you my shirt, but I'm wearing it. I should have been more prepared, because then I could show you a t-shirt. But, well, ta-da! So this stitch, I don't know if you can see it very well. See how it has the two lines on it? That is typically done with a cover lock machine, which has a twin needle, much like a overlock machine. But since I don't have one of those in its place, I use the twin needle to give it that two-stitch look. The other thing that you can do is you can just use a zigzag stitch, which I prefer to use, and typically I would use, but I have some clients who prefer the double stitch. So when it comes to using the double stitch, I need the double needle. I could buy these from Joann's, but like I said, it's very expensive and you only get one. And it's like, I don't know, like $5 for one twin needle. And on Amazon, it's like $8 and you get a whole bunch of twin needles. And as cool as they are, they just like regular needles, just like the single needles, they break. But see, look, I got all of these for like, it was like 7 something, but I'm just rounding up to 8. Yeah, so for $8, I got like all of these needles, right? From Amazon. And I got 3 different sizes. So I have the wide size, which this is the size that I like. I have the super thin size, which is the size I do not like. And I have the medium size, which is the size that is okay. I don't use it that often because I like the wide size. But, you know, when all of my wides break and all of my mediums break, I will just use the little ones. And then when they're all broken, I will order more. That's how it works. All right, so that is pretty much it for today's unboxing, packaging, whatever. For those of you who are interested in seeing me use a twin needle, I am going to start getting some sewing videos up. I am just in the process of moving. So that's why I don't have very many lights up on here, because I used to have a whole bunch. So I am slowly moving out. At the end of the month, I will be in my new place, which then I should have a little bit more time to start doing these sewing things. I know some of you have expressed interest in seeing me work on my mini machines because I have like, I don't know, 7. and they're all different. So yeah, so once I am settled in the new place, I will start making some videos and walk you through my amazing machines that I love, and hopefully you will love too. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Again, the link to get these twin needles will be in the description below. Well, it's the link to my Amazon page that has all of my sewing supplies on it. So yes, the twin needles will be there, as well as the scissors, as well as the pick, as well as the replacement foots for my machines, and basically anything that I buy that I like to sew with will be on that list. So if you like to sew, I guarantee everything on there you will love. And that is it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you